Yo, I wanted to keep this on the hush, man, but it's come time for me to go ahead and unbox the W's that your boy hit on for that crazy restock that we seen a couple of weeks ago on the Nike SNKRS app, man. The Jordan Reserve was going crazy, and I even bought something I might unbox just in order to, you know what I'm saying, get that good standing with Nike to hit on something else for the Jordan Reserve. We're gonna talk about it in today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in once again to another video, man. Today, like I said, we gotta unbox some things that your boy hit on the Jordan Reserve on Nike SNKRS app. I put you guys on a couple of weeks before it actually happened, and you guys already know we're gonna see a lot of Jordan Reserves. We're gonna see a lot of restocks, a lot of shock drops, especially with us being in February. You already know what happens in February, the All-Star weekend, and I'm already hearing that we're gonna get a shock drop for the Air Jordan 12 playoffs, man. If you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, ring notification bell for your boy, and make sure you leave a huge like on today's video, dropping some dope content and showing y'all boys what I hit on. I got 3 packages to unbox and show you guys what I hit on, and we're gonna get right into it. Before, make sure you guys go head over to IG and Twitter, give it boy a follow so you don't miss out on any other restocks, shock drops, Jordan Reserves, anything that happens. I try to notify you guys first over there, then I head over to YouTube and drop some free game. All right, guys, so like I said, this first package right here, I literally only bought this just in order to, you know what I'm saying, get that good standing. I wanted Nike to know I'm not just buying shoes or buying things just to hit on restocks and hit on, you know, shock drops and get exclusive access, which, you know, I did honestly do that, and I got lucky because I hit on 2 other sneakers right there, as you guys can see. I was like, yo, let me go ahead and just buy this, you know what I'm saying, see what it does for your boy, and I did get lucky. So let me go ahead and unbox this and show y'all what I hit on. The first item, not even gonna say shoes, the first item that I bought, and the homies flame me, man. The homies got on my head about buying this right here, and you guys are about to see it right now. All right, so here you have it, man. Check it out, check it out. I bought a Nike lunch bag, a Jordan 1 lunch bag. I'm never probably gonna use this. Maybe it just be one of those memorabilia things, but your boy bought a lunch bag. I'm too old to be, you know what I'm saying, taking lunch bags to work. And I bought this I only bought it to hit on some sneakers on that Jordan Reserve that was happening that day. So here you guys have it, the Nike Air Jordan 1 box in a lunch bag, you know, form. So I don't know, it's pretty neat. Put the size over there, put your name on it. But like I said, I'm never, you're never gonna catch me rocking this thing to work, man. Yeah, this shit dope though, hockey. So this right here was that first investment I did. I put into myself in order to get lucky on a Jordan Reserve. This cost $35. I put that military discount on there, so I think it came out to like 27 or 28 bucks or whatever. But here goes the first thing that your boy hit on the same day the Jordan Reserve popped off. I'm also gonna be dropping some screenshots, some screen recordings of what actually all did drop on the Jordan Reserve. There was a bunch of stuff that I wanted. I entered for damn near everything. I was only lucky enough to get 2 pairs on the Jordan Reserve. So here goes the next package. Just gonna have to flip open. I like when they give me the box where I don't have to, you know what I'm saying, use a knife. Super easy, you know, to open and check it out. We have an Air Jordan 1. You guys probably already know what it is with that crazy box. So we kind of got the same type of crazy box with the prototype Air Jordan 1s. And you guys already know what these is. The Air Jordan 1 handcrafted joints. So you guys can see it, size 9. I had to get it because I wanted to see how they looked in hand. And like I said, I got it for under retail. So I was like, yo, let me go ahead and try and cop these joints and let me see how I'm feeling them in person, in hand. I don't know, man. I still don't know about the sneaker. I ain't gonna cap with y'all. It's not nothing too crazy. Definitely one of those shoes that I wanted to see in hand, see how I was feeling it. But after, you know, having it in hand right now, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Maybe I gotta throw it on feet or something. Check it out, but I don't know, man. Pull out the other sneaker real quick. They come with some orange laces as well. There's a lot of laces going on with these joints. But here you guys have it, the Air Jordan 1 handcrafted. I hit on these joints on the Jordan Reserve. It was 2 separate ones, and I believe this was on the second Jordan Reserve. It was nothing but Air Jordan 1. So like I said, I put that video out weeks prior to this Air Jordan 1 and the Jordan Reserve that dropped off on the Nike SNKRS app. So you guys gotta hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of this dope information I'm giving you guys, behind the scenes looks on what is coming out via Nike, man. So like I said, I told you guys I went in for everything, and I only got lucky with this pair and the next pair that I'm about to unbox right now. All right, guys, so now we have the last package, the last sneaker that your boy hit on for the Jordan Reserve, and I had this for like the last, I think I just got it yesterday on the porch, right before this crazy winter storm kicked off here where I'm at. And I was lucky enough to get it, you know what I'm saying, so I can drop this content for you guys, talk about some upcoming, you know, restock, shock drops and all that good stuff. Because just know, it's gonna be some more restocks. It's gonna be some more shock drops, and your boy gonna be dropping information as soon as it comes across my desk, man. So here you have it, all silver box. You guys know, usually all Air Jordan 13s come in this crazy platinum box right here, as you guys can see. Throw the box out the way, and you have a nice baby blue UNC Jumpman on the top right there, man. So the official colorway, Air Jordan 13 Retro, white, dark powder blue, and multi. And these joints retail for 190 bucks. Slap that military discount on there. I put on this entire order. Your boy got them for a little under retail. And here we have them. Let's go ahead and show you guys the last thing that your boy hit on. The Air Jordan 13. I forgot what it's just called. The Air Jordan 13 Obsidian is right here, as you guys can see. You got that nice Obsidian blue on the predominant upper of the sneaker. Got the white leather right here on the side. Of course, you got your hologram 2-3 on the back of these joints right here. This is another sneaker I took an L on when it first released a couple of months ago. I was like, yo, I really want to see it in hand. I really want to, you know, see how these joints is hitting for. And it's another one that like I said, I enter for every single shoe, but I feel like I got the lower tier sneakers off the Jordan Reserve out of all the heat that I did see on the app. I surprisingly do have a lot of Air Jordan 13s, believe it or not, and I'm thinking about dropping the entire Air Jordan 13 collection video. And I keep saying this in all my videos, every time I show a 13, that these are one of the most comfortable sneakers to hoop in. And depending on what colorway drops, I'm telling you, it's definitely a dope sneaker, you know what I'm saying, to rock out with and add to your sneaker collection. All right, guys, so those were the 2 sneakers and the lunch bag, lunch box, whatever you want to call it, that I did get on the Jordan Reserve day. It was 2 Jordan Reserve, had some with a couple different silhouettes, and was one specifically for all Air Jordan 1s that I touched up on weeks ago that I knew was gonna happen. And like I said, it's gonna be more Jordan Reserves, it's gonna be more restocks. And I did wanna touch up on that Air Jordan 12 playoff shock drop. They pushed the Air Jordan 3 Cardinals up to release a little bit faster. I think it's February the 19th. And they pushed back the Air Jordan 12 playoffs because of All-Star Weekend. And I can only see them doing that because they want to shock drop them joints, build anticipation up, build the hype up to make people want them to release faster. And of course, once they do drop that exclusive access or the shock drop form, everybody's gonna be on it. Everybody's gonna wanna have those sneakers added back to their collection because it's been years since the last time the joints released. I've been trying to secure early pair for a while on StockX and GOAT, but the prices are a little bit high right now. I definitely think it's gonna be one of those sneakers that's mass produced. I'm not trying to spend no more than $300, $350 on them joints. But like I said, if I do find an early pair, definitely gonna drop that video for you guys. Just like I did for the Air Jordan 6 UNC University Blues. Go check that video out right now, live on the channel, on feet review, and a comparison with the Air Jordan 6 Carmines. I appreciate everybody for tuning into today's video. Once I get some more information about this shock drop on the Air Jordan 12 playoffs, I'm gonna definitely put you guys on. And if I get a pair early, you guys already know you're gonna see an unboxing and that early review. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any other content that we drop on the channel. Head over to IG and Twitter and give your boy a follow so you don't miss out on any other sneaker updates, man. I appreciate all the support. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. And I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Peace.